Welcome, students of class 6. I hope you are all fine. In New Oxford Modern English, Workbook 6, we were on Lesson 2, The Ransom of Red Chief, where the part B is about idiomatic language. Before solving the exercise, let's learn about the idioms. Idioms are phrases that don't mean what they literally say. They have a special meaning. Idioms ऐसी phrases होती हैं जिनके meanings, जिनके मायने as it is नहीं होते. उनके ख़ास मायने होते हैं which we derive from them. For example, when someone says it's raining cats and dogs, they mean it is raining heavily. The phrase cats and dogs refer to the heavy rain, मूसलाधार बारिश. In the exercise, we are going to confront prepositional idioms. Prepositional idioms are phrases where the meaning is determined by the choice of preposition. Prepositional idioms ऐसी phrases हैं जहाँ preposition के इंतखाब से ही उसके मायने का अंदाज़ा लगाया जाता है या तायुन किया जाता है. It is also true that there are no real grammar rules behind prepositional idioms. You just have to memorize them. Prepositional idioms के पीछे कोई certain grammar rules नहीं होते जिन्हें हमें follow करना होता है. For the purpose of learning such type of idioms, we just have to memorize them. हमें इन्हें याद ही करना होता है. The question related to idiomatic language or idioms in the workbook 6 is, rewrite the sentences below in place of italicized words. Use the verb run in its idiomatic sense. नीचे दिए गए sentences को दोबारा लिखना है हमें और italicized words की जगह verb run का इस्तेमाल करना है हमने idiomatically. For example, I met Abdul by chance in the street yesterday. Here, the italicized words are met by chance, and we can use run in its idiomatic sense in sentence और इसके मायने भी मिलने या मुलाकात करने के होंगे. I ran across Abdul in the street yesterday. मैं कल गली में अब्दुल से मिला. In this box, a list is provided which tells कि हम verb run को idiomatically कितने मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. With the difference of preposition, in each case, the meaning changes. Run off यानी तेज़ी से बहती हुई कोई चीज़ या जिस पर फ्लो के लिए कोई फोर्स यूज़ ना करनी पड़े. Run down गिराए जाना या पटखे जाना. Run away with किसी चीज़ से एग्री करना या उसके कंट्रोल में आना. Runs to यानी एक मखसूस अमाउंट या साइज़ तक पहुंचना. Run across किसी से मिलना या मुलाकात करना. Run out ख़त्म हो जाना. Let's start our exercise with the first sentence is, where did you find this old picture? We can use idiom run across instead of find. Where did you run across this old picture? आपको ये पुरानी तस्वीर कहाँ मिली? Don't be angry, नाराज़ ना हो. You should never let your anger control you. आपको चाहिए कि आपका गुस्सा आपको कभी कंट्रोल ना करे. So we can use idiom run away with in place of italicized control. Don't be angry. You should never let your anger run away with you. The old man was almost knocked down by a lorry. The old man was almost run down by a lorry. बूढ़ा आदमी लॉरी से तकरीबन टकरा जाता या गिर जाता. He is a clever man. वो एक चालाक आदमी है या होशियार आदमी है. He can quickly produce a poem in a minute. वो एक मिनट में एक नज़्म लिख सकता है या तैयार कर सकता है. We can rewrite the sentence like, he is a clever man. He can quickly run off a poem in a minute. Next sentence is, the lease for the new house expires next week. घर का मुआहदा अगले हफ्ते ख़त्म होना है. We have to find a new house. हमें एक नया घर ढूंढना होगा. In place of expires, we can use idiom run out. The lease for the house runs out next week. We have to find a new house. This book amounts to less than 100 pages. This book runs to less than 100 pages. ये किताब 100 से कम सफ़ों पर मुश्तमिल है. Next question is, rewrite the following. Use words from the box in place of the italicized word. Consult a dictionary. Now we'll have to replace the idioms with the words given in this box. Let's start doing so with the first sentence. The police finally ran the escaped prisoner down in Sahiwal. Here, the italicized words are ran down. We can rewrite the sentence like the police finally followed and captured the escaped prisoner in Sahiwal. साहिवाल में आखिरकार पुलिस ने भागे हुए कैदी का पीछा किया और पकड़ लिया. The aeroplane was 1 mile away from the airport when the fuel ran out. The aeroplane was 1 mile away from the airport when the fuel was used up. जहाज एयरपोर्ट से तकरीबन 1 मील दूर था जब फ्यूल ख़त्म हुआ या इस्तेमाल हो गया. She asked her mother to run her up a dress for the party. She asked her mother to sew her a dress quickly for the party. उसने अपनी वालदा से पार्टी के लिए तेज़ी से उसके लिए एक ड्रेस सीने का कहा. The spendthrift ran up bills in the most expensive shops in town. The spendthrift accumulated bills in the most expensive shop in town. Spendthrift यानी एक शाखर्च इंसान, उसने अपने बिल्स टाउन की सबसे महंगी शॉप में जमा करवाए. He was so lazy, his wife had to run after him all day. So for run after, we can use the word serve. Here, he was so lazy, his wife had to serve him all day. वो बहुत सुस्त था, उसकी बीवी को सारा दिन उसकी खिदमत करना पड़ती थी. The boy asked his father to help him with some problem he had run up against. For the italicized run up against, we can use a word encountered. The boy asked his father to help him with some problems he had encountered. लड़के ने अपने वालिद से कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स में मदद के लिए कहा जो उसे पेश आई या जो जिनका उसने सामना किया. So this is how you can solve the whole exercise. Keep one thing in your mind, that all the words I've used here in place of italicized words are from this box. So that was all for today. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.